Hey guys, this is Belinda and we're about to start on the construction of the second page of our scrapbook, signature scrapbook project. This is what we put together yesterday. You can see that video. I have it in a playlist now. Also, I'm going to show you, this is what we're going to do today, okay? I was going to do 2 and 3 on one video, but I decided to just do 2. That way you can reference it by video. And this one's really quick and simple. So this won't be a long video. I'll show you. All right, what you're gonna need, you know, you've already started here. Just open this up, and these are all of the pieces. They come on a single sheet labeled page 2. And then yesterday, when we were assembling page 1, we had the one piece left over that I said we would use on page 4, but we're gonna use it today, I think, okay? All right, so quick and easy, here we go. You're gonna take your envelope piece, and I'm gonna go around the 2 sides, just a little glue, not too much, because I get overzealous with the glue and then you have a mess. Just a real thin line there. And I'm gonna place my pocket. Gotta get this centered for you. I'm gonna come right down here. Not too low, but not too high. Just right there is good, okay? I like that. Then, that'll fit in there. I'm just using this to eyeball. I think I'm gonna place this upper pocket about right there. This wide red strip will become just a little tuck-in pocket for you. Same thing on the side, and across the bottom with the glue. Okay? And I'm gonna come right there. And if you don't wanna cover up those words, you don't have to, but that's just where I'm gonna put mine. All right. Okay. Then we're gonna take our 2 index card tags. Let me make sure I've got them turned the right way. And the 2 tickets that look like torn tickets. I cut those out following the lines, and I even kind of wiggle my scissors a little to give them that torn look. These will be attached with your staples, so really very easy. And you can extend above and beyond the border of the library card if you want to, and I am a little bit like that. And then I think I'm going to do opposite side. On my example over there, I'd put my tickets on the same side, but I'm going to come over here this time and just staple, okay? And those will slide in your pocket like this, and I like those little tags to kind of hang over, all right? Now, what's left are your 2 journaling tags that look like cameras, and like I said, you can use your photo template 1 that comes in your set to cut a photograph that would fit perfectly there if you wanted it there, or you can just use it as a journaling card. And I gave a little tip yesterday to use a piece of acetate to cut it the same size as your photo templates. That way you can center this clear acetate over your photograph and get it centered, okay? But take one of your tags. I'm gonna come to this corner, use that little extra piece of tag there and staple. And I think I had it tucked in the top pocket. Let's see if I can get this in here without pulling it loose because my glue's not dry. I did. Look, just like that. And then this one just slides back in there. And that's it, guys. That's page 2. Just really quick and simple like that, and it gives you lots of journaling spots to go in your journal. And like I said, you can also use these to mount photos on the back. So really simple. That's page 2, and tomorrow we'll tackle page 3. Thanks for watching.